We are at the mini pipe. This thing is going off.
Yes, mini pipe time. It's just so sick, bro.
I just like Good morning everybody, welcome to today's video. As you can see, we stayed the night here at Kevin and TJ's place. Sup TJ?
Sup guys?
And here comes Kevin. How are you doing today, Kevin?
Yeah, good man.
You ready to shred, bro? They got a pretty sick little crib coming on. Got the main lounge room, TJ's bed, Kevin's room. Real sick little place here. They even got the koala crisp, Kevin's favorite cereal.
Gotta get the oof sticker on here.
Oh yeah.
Alright, where's a good spot? Will it fit?
Surely.
Ooh! Oh man, that's it right there. We got Board Archive, we've got Keep Evolving, Snowboard Pro Camp, and oof!
That's what's up. The Kevin and TJ mobile. Does she go fast, Kevin?
She's kind of a piece of junk, but we can't figure out how to get the radio working though.
I noticed when we were driving around last night it was quite silent.
It's hard when I don't know what to do. I'm angry and I'm tired and confused. I've got so many thoughts stuck in my head, and none of them make much sense.
Hey TJ, you know what the key to success is?
What?
Knowledge!
Knowledge.
Hey Kevin, do your chain hang low?
Does it wobble to and fro?
Can you tie it in a knot?
Can you tie it in a bow?
You might have also noticed how scucks I am right now. That's right, new jacket. I bet you can't see me, huh? How's your day been today, Kevin?
Oh, it's been great, yeah, best day yet.
Every day is the best day, Kevin.
Highlight was the half pipe. Half pipe was my favorite part.
I said I would follow you, but I lied. Don't be mad, well at least I tried. I never had a spot for you in my life, which was true till I heard you cry. And your tears down your face into my eyes. I'm sorry that I hate myself this time, 'cause I've got so many thoughts in my head, and none of them make much sense.
Putting the oof sticker on
Oh
my
wait,
helmet.
turn your helmet. Ooh! Check out Kevin's crazy camera setup.
Oh yeah, look
Oh. It's that time of the day again when we eat the pies. Sadly, they didn't have pepper steak, but I'm so hungry right now, I'll have any of the pies. So I got whatever this one is, I have no idea, but we're gonna eat it and we're gonna find out. Honestly, all pies pretty much taste the same. What did you get, Kevin?
Veggie pie.
Hi, gang. Now it's time to find our way back to the car, and because we got up here around 10:30ish and everyone was here, we had to park at this real weird car park that's like just below everything else and you can't really walk there, so we gotta drop in and find our way to the car. We're at the weird car park, Kevin. This car park's for weirdos. Let's go! Dang! I was not expecting this today. Look at this! This smells like perfect, man. This is so sick. I wasn't expecting that to be so good. That was like... And there's the car park!
Yeah, careful.
Oh yeah, this is a kind of a little drop. There's a little bit of the cornice up there which has been taken out. That's because I just rode over it and it just straight up dropped. Oh, Kevin's dropping in. Whoa, whoa. Another sick day shredding, dudes. Very cool. But now it is actually very cold. My hands are freezing. So I'm going to head down the hill. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow. Yeah. See you, David. See ya.
Oh, make sure to subscribe.
Cause we don't know who we are. It'll take 5 days by car, but we don't know where to go. And I don't know if you know, or I don't know if you see, but baby, what's going on?